And after my graduation, I moved to live in Halong City since 2009. After 4 years working as a teacher of mathematics, I decided to quit the job. I realized that I like English. And then after I quit my job as a teacher, I decided to do a few months on the big boat for overnight tour, to improve my English. And after that, I went to the vocational school to get training to be a tour guide just for a few months to get the certification. But actually, I learned a lot from my guests English and everything, because when I tell my guests something about Vietnam, in return, they tell me about their country. And I learn a lot from them, including English. I have a small map of Halong Bay here. Later, I will put the map on the table, and you can have a look at the map. And by looking at the map, you will know where we are now and how far we can go. On the map, I draw a small square. That's the cruise ship. And from the small square, I draw a red line. That's the itinerary of the tour today. Halong Bay covers a total areas of 1,553 square kilometers. It's twice bigger than Singapore, and there's totally almost 2,000 islands and islands all around the bay here. And the bay is divided into two areas, the west side there and the east side here. This is the biggest water area in the bay. The west side of the bay there is a tourist zone, so about 90% of visitors who do Halong Bay, they go to the west there. It's very busy there. Today we don't do the west, we do the east. It's much quieter. When we get to the fishing village here, we tour around the village by kayaking. Yeah. After that, we stop here for lunch. After lunch, we move to the cave, and we spend 30 minutes doing the cave. After the cave, we go straight back to the cruise ship. In Halong, they are very strict. This is a heritage zone. They are very strict. For swimming, you have to go to the beach. For kayaking, you can only do kayaking in some area where they are allowed. But in Kayak, you can do kayaking everywhere, swim everywhere. You can jump off from the boat. You can climb on the rope. You jump into the water. You can do rope climbing, trekking, a lot of things. And in Kayak, there's still a big fishing village in Kayak.
up to the cave. It is just a small cave. Normally it just take 30 minutes totally. To do the cave, you need to climb up about 90 steps. There's a stairway. Just do slowly. We have a lot of time, so just take your time. You climb, you take around 95 steps up to the entrance of the cave. The entrance of the cave is about 30 meters high above the sea level. After that, you go down in the cave, and then you walk and go back the same way.
Wow.
Yeah.
So far.
Yeah, you go back the same way. Don't try the other way. And on the other side of the cave, there is a bit. After the cave, when you go down, you can turn right to go to the beach and take a few photos or even go into the water, but do not swim, please, because it's private beach. So no swim.